Z, which producing 50%, 30% and 20% of the total items. And the defective rate also given for the three machines, that is the 5%, 8% and 10%. And we are going to find an item selected at random or found to be defective. So we have to find the probability that it was produced by the machine set. So first we are going to write what are the terms which is given in the question. Here the term X denotes the item produced by machine X, and the next the Y denoted as the items produced by machine Y, and Z as the item produced by machine Z. So next we are going to find the what are the ratio which is given in the question, that is the probability of X, that is 50%. 50% that will be written as 5 by 100. So the value of 5 by 100 will be at 0.5. So next we are going to find the probability of Y, that is the machine Y, which is 30%. 30% means 30 by 100. So the value of 30 by 100 is equal to 0.3. And next the probability of items produced by machine Z will be at 20%. 20% will be written as 20 by 100. The value will be at 0.2. So next we are going to write the defective items for these three machines, that is X, Y, Z. So first we are going to find the defective items given the machines of X. So the value of the defective item which is produced by the machine X will be 5%. So that is given in the question. So 5% will be written as 5 by 100, which is equal to 0.05. So next the defective item which is produced by the machine Y will be a probability of D given Y, that is 8%. The value of 8% will be 8 by 100, which is equal to 0.08. So next the defective item which is produced by the machine Z will be a probability of D by Z, that is 10%. So the 10 by 100 value will be 0.10. So these are the terms which is given in the question, and we are going to find the probability that is produced by the machine Z will be a defective items, which means we are going to find the probability of Z given. So here we are going to find the probability of Z given using the Bayes theorem. So this is the Bayes theorem formula, that is the P of Z given T is equal to P of T given Z into P of Z divided by P of T. Here the terms P of T given Z as well as the P of Z which is given in the question, and the terms P of T which is not given in the question. So first we are going to find what is the value of P of T. So this is the formula of P of T. So P of T is equal to P of T given X into P of X plus P of T given Y into P of Y plus P of T given Z into P of Z. This is the formula for T, that is probability of defective items. So these values are given in the questions. All the values are taken from the questions and substituted in this terms. While substituting and simplifying, I get an answer for the P of T, that is 0.069. So this is the value of 0.069. We found that value. So next we are going to substitute all those values in the Bayes theorem formula, that is the P of Z given T. So while substituting the term of P of T given Z value will be at 0.1, that is given in the question. And the next P of Z value will be at 0.2, and the P of T just now we found, that is the value will be at 0.069. So while substituting all those terms, I get an answer as 0.28985. So this is the value of P of Z given T, that is the probability that was produced by machine Z that will be a defective item. So the answer will be 0.28985. So on the whole in the question they are given that there are three machines are given, the producing items also given. Then the defective items for all the three machines are also given in the question. So first we write what are the terms which is given in the question. Next we are going to find the P of Z given T using the Bayes theorem. So this is the formula for the Bayes theorem, that is P of Z given T is equal to P of T given Z into P of Z by P of T